Hey everyone! So today we are on day 7 of 2 weeks of techniques. And today we're going to do a ring pour. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. And I've chosen the colors Liquitex Deep Violet, Craftsmart Purple Pearl, Soho Dioxazine Violet, Artist Loft Naples Yellow, Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta, and of course just a standard white. So I'm going to use a paper cup for this because I can pinch it. White didn't want to stay there. I can pinch it and that way we can pour a ring pour. This is just here for focusing, otherwise my camera will go out of focus. So I'm not going to spray the cup either because I don't want to use a ton of silicone, but these paints do contain silicone and I'm hoping that we won't have too much on there. Okay, so I'm going to start with white, just enough to cover the bottom of the cup. And then we're going to pour our paint on one side. So we'll start with the deep violet. The purple pearl. Dioxazine violet. Naples yellow, quinacridone rose, just a touch of white, and we'll do one more round. The purple pearl is pretty when it dries. Okay, so I have about 1/3 of a cup there. I'm going to pour a little bit of white down. Spread that around just a little bit. Because we will be tilting, so we just need something for the paint to flow on. You don't have to put it on thick, and you don't have to put on a lot. And we'll touch up our sides when we're done. Okay, pinch my cup. Now you can make little tiny circles or you can just pour. Today I'm just going to pour. So I kind of lost a lot of my yellow, but I see it in little spots. So I'm just going to roll it around and try to open all that up. And we'll start tilting. Lots of cells. Now if you do this without silicone, you won't get all those cells. You'll get some from the Floetrol or just from the paint densities. So that doesn't look like a ring at all, but it's very pretty. I see one tiny clump. Let me torch that and see if I can break down a little bit of that white. And it will continue to sink, the white paint, because it's so heavy. So that actually looks pretty cool. I like the yellow. Let me turn it this way. So you can see it in there. Not a lot though. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on that bell and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Parage Posse. Check out my art page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. I'm really liking this. That dioxazine violet will dry much darker too. And right now, I have most of my paintings on Etsy. If you're interested in purchasing a piece, just check that out, and the link is below for that. Join us Monday nights for our live at 9 p.m. Eastern. We do it every Monday night, and we may start doing a few little auctions on Monday nights. Just a few pieces so that everyone can enjoy the bidding process. And also the Stone Coat Art Coat resin code is below. Our fan mail box, post office box address is below. And if you're interested in sponsoring the channel, that PayPal link is below as well. And we do quarterly giveaways for our sponsors. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow on the traveling ring pour. And check that out too. Thanks for watching. Bye now.